Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Infiniti QX60. It comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with a CVT transmission. Other main included such as premium leather heated seats, powered sunroof, third row seating, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these beautiful doors with cup holder storage in the bottom next to the Bose speaker sound system. That's going to come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows, as well as your seat memory with the chrome accent. Infiniti badging there. Of course, the power adjustable, white accent, black leather heated seats. Very nice. You'll have your vents. On the left side, you'll have your rear liftgate control, as well as your heated steering wheel. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your odometer control, as well as your voice recognition and volume control. The right side, you'll have your cruise. With the odometer here, pretty much to access all of your vehicle information, including your tire pressure, as well as your fuel economy, radio, as well as your gas mileage, other information, and settings as well with your driver assistance. So you have push to start. You're going to have your dual zone climate control. You can also access navigation, map, as well as your audio and Bluetooth connectivity. Go on here, just hit camera. It's going to give you your front camera as well as your rear and your side cameras as well. Oh, you just gotta hit camera. It's gonna change on each side. Pretty cool. You're also gonna have a CD player right there as well. Right on the bottom, some extra storage. Of course, you're gonna have the shifter, drive mode selector, heated seats with the upper and lower center console with USB ports, and as well as auxiliary and video and an SD card reader. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, chrome across the dash. You're gonna have Bose speakers up top. And here you can access your reading lamps and your SOS, as well as your powered sunroof. You're gonna have these 20-inch aluminum wheels on Bridgestone Alenza tires. You're gonna have the paint match mirror caps with the blinker and camera, and chrome keyless entry door handle, luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass on the back. Just the exhaust and the hitch. We open the power lift gate. As you can see right here, we'll have the third row seating. We'll throw these down. Folds nice and easy for maximum storage here. Well, right next to the seat, you're gonna have cup holder and USB ports on each side. As well as in the back here, you'll have a 12-volt DC port and extra storage and tools down below with your acoustic wave system. It's a very spacious rear. And the rear interior, cup holder storage on the bottom next to the speakers. That's coming up here to the power windows. And you're gonna have these adjustable bench seats in the back, lots of legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation control and a USB port. And right in the center, cup holder and armrest, and lamps and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 Infiniti QX60. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, as well as premium leather heated seats, powered sunroof, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, third row seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.